Hello. After a few shorts uploaded, let us continue with another tutorial. In this quick video you are going to learn how to animate falling choco balls into a plate. Delete the default cube. Add a cylinder. Scale it along Z-axis. Select the upper points and press E to extrude. Then scale the new points. Delete the upper face. Our plate is ready. Let us subdivide it a bit. Now create a choco ball with its own material. Reduce the ball faces, as we are going to multiply it. Scale the ball a bit. Create a simple chocolate material by changing the base color. Make the plate a passive rigid material and change the shape to mesh. The choco an active one. Reduce the friction, you could add some bounciness. Multiply the ball by pressing Shift plus D. Thanks for watching.